Hope you're doing well. This is your boy Munimusin Khan and I'm back with yet another video. Now in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a free website and everything with domain and even with no experience at all, because I don't have any experience creating website or coding or anything, and I'm going to create the first one right now. So I will be learning things from you guys as well. Not from you guys but from my experience. So yeah, let's start with it. Please do remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I think we should start with the video as soon. So this is the first one. You have to come to sites.google.com, just search it and come to this website, sites.google.com. And there are many templates right here. I need you to choose a blank one first of all. Okay, so as you can see, this is a page. You can enter your website name right here. I'm gonna enter my name for fun because I'm not making it seriously. You can enter. I'm gonna enter my name. This will be updated automatically. You can add a logo. Maybe they got some logos right now. If I got any logos from, okay, let's just upload this. I want to make it quick for you guys. I don't want you to keep waiting or anything like that. So this is the logo DC, as you can see. So let's go on themes. Just okay. I'm gonna let's go create the website title. You can, if you're making it for your YouTube channel, just like so, you can do this. Select all of this, make it in Italian, underline if you want to, and you can also change the names, as you can see. So there's a different themes that you can use for this banner or the tile, and I like this one. You can also use different other one, impression right here, and you can also change, as you can see below. You can also do this, and I like this looks. I think this looks very great already. I don't know why. I never make a website, so I don't know, but this already looks very great. So the next thing, this is the most important one. This you can embed any videos that you like. So I'm gonna tell you this one. Also, you can embed here by URL, any videos, any URL you want. This is my one of my old YouTube channels, you can say. I'm gonna click on share, copy this. I don't know why this opens up. Did I copy the short video? Nope. You can also use embed code to embed videos. I'm gonna tell you about embed code as well. And oh, it's perfect. You're gonna copy this right here, this URL. You can also, for the other YouTube videos and the long form content, they have an embed option right in front of there. This video don't have that, so we're gonna work with that. URL, as you can see, I'm gonna insert it right in my website here. So you can also do this. Also, you can modify where it goes, the size of it, and everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on this side right here also. And these are one of the most important things. These are many things that you can do. You can divider, spacebar, social links. So if you want to come here and just play with the customization a little bit, you can add a map for your location if you want to, slides, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you these things right here. As you can see, these are the different pictures that you can add in text for your website. Like you can upload different videos of your YouTube channel or the product. If you are selling any products, you can add the products pictures, and down there you can add different kind of text for them. So just gonna select image, any of the images. So I'm just doing it for you guys so you guys can see it. Let's just go. Do I have any photos? No, I don't have any photos up there. So I'm just gonna upload this one here, another one. You can also upload the image from your own computer system if you want to upload any of them. So I'm gonna just upload this one. Let's go again. I just want to show you guys how it's done. So I'm gonna pause the video for a bit. I'm gonna add all this, and as you can see, I did this all. Add all of these pictures. You can also add this text right down there. You can customize the text if you want. and you can also change the color of the text. The text, the text. Yeah, you can also change the color of the text, and you can also subscribe to my channel. I didn't mention that maybe. You can also add a textbook right here. Just click on this, and it will add something like this. You can also, I think, move it if you want to, like this, and you can also move it like this. Now the text is here. This was my old YouTube channel. I'm just gonna write it. So YouTube channel. So yeah, there you can see it's looking bad. I'm not gonna lie. But for the first time, because I never created any website before that I was trying to create a website before making this video, but I didn't uh, because I was lazy. I was just trying to get over with this video. I hope you get it. So yeah, this is the way you can create it. You can also come here and you can add all, and you can also come here to tab, add page. You can also add different pages, new page, like about us if you want to. If you're a business, create another page, about us, and you can see there's another page. Uh, you can put your info in this page. Go to insert, again put some text in it, put some photos in it, and you can also create another page for contact us if you want, or if you're another mm, you can also add links, or you can add a fully page embed. If there's another website you've created, you want to repost, not the repost, but just to embed it over here, so people can find it, more people can find it through this website. And yep, this is how you can create it. And at the end of the day, nothing, you don't have to. And this is without the experience. You can see home, click on home, about us. You can also do contact us, and while you're done by this, you will have a website, and you didn't have to do anything, no coding, no nothing. You just come here, there's some customization, and you got a website. Then you all you have to do is click on publish, write the name of the website as you can see, and yep, this is the custom domain from uh, google.com, because we did all this on their website. And as you can see, who can view your website, you can manage this. You see, public, anybody on this planet can view your website on the internet, or you can just keep it to yourself. And I'm gonna be keeping it to myself, please. Yeah, so you can also change this web address if you want, but I don't want to. So yeah, this is how you can create a website without having any experience, and I think I did a very good job for the most part. It looked great. I mean, if you show this to someone and said that this is his first time creating a website, and the person will be thinking that he's coding or something like that, and he will say this is great. But you don't have to do any coding right nowadays. You just come. There are many ways to create websites. This is one of the ways. And yeah, I've been talking a lot, so let's just get over with it. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And hopefully, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.